Classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified into two main categories. First one is cyclic compounds and second one is acyclic compounds. The study of acyclic compounds is divided into main categories: branched chain and unbranched chain. And also study of cyclic compounds is divided into main categories, that is homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds. The study of homocyclic compounds is divided into two main categories: alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Cyclic compounds. If the carbon atoms attach with each other to form a cyclic or ring-like structure, then it will be a closed chain compound. These closed chain organic compounds can be further classified into categories. The first one is homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. The second one is heterocyclic compounds. Acyclic or open chain compounds. These compounds are also called as aliphatic compounds and contains open chain of carbon atoms. The chain may be unbranched or branched. For example, ethane, isobutane, acetaldehyde and acetic acid. Homocyclic compounds. Those cyclic compounds which contain only carbon atoms in their cycle are said to be homocyclic compounds. These compounds can be further divided into two categories. The first one is alicyclic compounds. The second one is aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are those organic compounds which contain at least one or more heteroatoms in a closed structure. These heteroatoms may be oxygen, nitrogen, or sulfur atoms. For example, tetrahydrofuran and furan. Note that furan is a heterocyclic aromatic compound. Alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds contain carbon atoms joined in the form of a ring. These exhibits some of the properties similar to those of the aliphatic compounds. For example, cyclopentane and cyclohexene. Aromatic compounds. Those closed chain compounds which contain benzene nucleus in their molecules and follow Haeckel rule are called aromatic compounds. For example, benzene. Aromatic compounds is of two types. First, benzenoid compounds and second, non-benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds. For example, benzene, aniline, naphthalene. For example, tropolone. Branched chain compounds. Those organic compounds in which one carbon atoms holds not more than two carbon atoms. As its name implies, it has branches of other chains coming off other chains. Branching is one of the reasons Why there are so many isomers of each compound? For example, isobutane. Unbranched chain compounds. Those organic compounds in which one carbon atoms hold not more than two carbon atoms. As its name implies, unbranched chain is a straight link of carbon atom. For example, N-pentane.